About a week ago, I created this sample piece for a video on using the Litokol translucent grout and grout bleed. Would you get grout bleed? What's it look like when you're using the translucent grout? And I purposely left this area here with some of that residue on it from the translucent grout because I wanted to see if I could remove it being about a week later. So I'm going to be trying to remove that with this, which is the Aves safety solvent. And we generally use this with Aves epoxy sculpt. So I'm just going to put a little drop of this onto a cloth, and you don't need much at all. And I'm going to now rub that and see if that actually removes the residue of the translucent grout. And when you're using the safety solvent, you do need to wear gloves and do it in a very well ventilated room. And judging by that, it pretty well does. And I'm actually going to clean the back of the glass because that might actually allow you to see it clearer, to be honest. Because there's probably some residue on the back there as well from when I was handling it. There you go. How clean is that? So I've been using this Aves safety solvent for quite some time actually on my mosaics when I found that some of the tessera didn't clean up quite right. Most of the time, probably 98% of the time, it cleans up beautifully just with a rag. However, and that's using normal sanded grout, or in the case of the epoxy grouts, it's normally cleaned up very, very well. However, in some situations, I have actually used this to help clean my tessera, and I found it works extremely well. And now I know it works extremely well because it cleaned up the epoxy grout residue.